make money move. Say I don't gotta dance.
I feel like every time I record, it's so blurry.
I need to get money out of my account.
I thought you already got money. Looking like
Wait, you know when you do debit, you have to buy something, right?
Yeah, 33 cents. Freaking candy.
Wait, what?
Well, what should I buy? I don't know what I want.
Here, come here. I'll get some candy. What's a dollar candy at?
There's no dollar candy. You eat like that every day.
Uh-huh.
You want to do a pack of gum?
No, I want some sweet.
Damn.
Hey, look.
Is this supposed to be apple?
Y'all want to eat this apple? Bite it. What is this?
Slice.
Bread. We're at McDonald's. McDonald's. Remember Chris? He went back there and stole a cookie.
And then she slapped his hand. She said, this guy on YouTube, he went back there. And
You know Chris
grabbed a cookie.
from Chris and Queen? He went back there and stole a cookie. This lady slapped his hand. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
No, but what's weird is we copy.
You know, sweet tea. I love me some sweet tea.
The whole like. I'll show you.
What is this? Orange juice? Oh no, that's pineapple smoothie, whatever.
I kind of changed some things.
You looking at it?
On here, I think about, bro, what the
Bomb diggity. Got my sweet tea.
It was your fault.
You and your fries.
That bitch works a lot, and she parties like, how do you I don't understand. She's sleeping.
I got 2 of this. You know the 2 for $3.33 deal?
Oh my god.
My life, yeah, all day, every day I need you, and every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I miss you. I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. 678 982.
If you tryna fuck with me, I gotta let you know. If it ain't meant to be, girl, I'ma let you go. I don't fuck with jealousy and lies. All the problems I already got. I don't need the extra shit on top. I'm already dealing with a lot of.
Where we at right now? What's the name of this place?
It's like Treatment.
Treatment Falls.
Treatment, Termin, who cares?
Termin.
It's waterfall. We can
I'm
swim,
ready to go
so.
swimming in the waterfall. Ithaca Falls. Thug life.
See, you can rent RVs here and stuff because me and my mom wanted to get one.
I look so dead, but I'm ready to get a tan.
Yeah, you can rent RVs here and stuff.
Can't even open my eyes.
We gotta do that. Oh, we should have did that. That
What?
would lit. We rent cabins.
Oh, that would have been dope. Gorge Trail. We in here.
Let's just leave Brit.
No, we're just gonna be over here. I love nature. Y'all. Oh, I wanna go all the way up there. Yeah, we gotta go.
This is where we swim, right? But
Oh,
this
yeah,
is when
that's
you
where
go
we swim.
hiking. You can swim in that too,
Oh yeah, that's dope.
right?
Oh, it's called Treeman.
There's literally a lot of views. Like,
How you
see,
know it's
this
not?
is when we went hiking.
How do you know it's not Tremont?
Oh my god, shut the fuck up. We're right here, right?
This is where we go swimming, right? Everybody is.
Lower falls? What about the high falls?
Up here, I think we gotta walk
When
up
we
this
go
way
hiking
to
and
go up
stuff,
there, right?
There's actually more swimming areas. Like, you can swim and be underneath here and all that.
Okay, well let's go here first. You guys want to go here first? Since that's where like... I fall before where I couldn't even see the bottom. I was scared. I thought there was something going to grab me, you know? Yeah. Like, I can swim. I just...
Yeah, feel the 66. Stop cussing about her around her. Look, you guys see that snake right there?
Shit.
Oh. I'm gonna test this water out and see how it feels. Oh damn, it's hella cold. Pam, say hey, girl.
Can you drink?
like some tea. You know Japanese places?
Like, no.
She's like, I want blue monkey. She's like, no,
No, I want sake.
like tea. Like, she didn't know, like, she knew what that shit was. Like,
We just finished swimming. I jumped off the diving board into the waterfall. Now we're about to go hiking. How you feeling?
what?
Lit. You gonna fall, girl?
Don't fall.
Cause we will not save you. It says do not enter water. Guess what we're doing? We're gonna enter the water. Alright. Huh?
We're not taking breaks yet.
Yeah, it is.
Are we taking breaks and we walk like 500 feet? Whew. I am tired though. We got a long way to go. Damn. Break already? You already took like 5 breaks. So, the lady said that we have 2.5 miles left till we get up there.
And then 2.5 down.
2.5 down. Whew.
No, Brie.
Why would you want to go straight down like that?
Exactly.
Why?
There's no stairs, you guys are telling me.
So I guess it's a 2-hour walk up to the waterfall and 2 hours back. They're trying to have me walk all the way down that. If I fall into the water,
Right?
oh shit, I almost fell. But these people said there was poison ivy over here. I'm gonna just not touch anything green because I don't know what it looks like.
We need to be like them, bro.
You get snatched.
I almost fell. This is so beautiful. Oh, I almost fell. What'd you say? I look so dead. Say hey.
I hate how my beginning snaps don't post and my last one did.
I know I have no Twitters. So I wish you guys was able to see the waterfall we were at. We were on top of the waterfall, but I couldn't bring my phone because, you know, I didn't want to risk dropping it. It was so nice though.
Pat, this is shit we
Oh
can't
yeah,
down.
going up.
Oh fuck no. You go first. You go first.
I don't want to touch poison ivy.
Go ahead, touch it.
Ah!
Touch it.
Probably don't make sense because all of them posted in the wrong order. We're trying to make it back before the sun goes down.
We just got back from this exclusive
Because, you know, we're not trying to be in the woods late at night when the sun's down. And being something like the Blair Witch Project, if you guys haven't watched that movie, go watch it, even though it's not real, but it could possibly happen. So, yeah. But we're about to go explore even more. Have more fun, create more memories. Fuck! So Rock's trying to get to the rocks.
Trying to get some cock. No.
And then we hit the dock.
But we are on some kind of like click clock.
We trying to sneak in there, but that guy just locked the gate.
I know we can't act invisible. It's okay. Come on. I'm black.
But you guys think you can? You're invisible. He's seen us.
You know he did it. Let's go. Keep walking.
We're trying to find our keys. Oh, he's going in there.
Say that we left our phone.
Go get some.
No.
Why?
There's no Dennis. There's no Dennis time. It's home time.
It's night time. Time to go home and go now. Tell a story.
Oh,
They need to laugh, Lex.
You're talking about mothers. I like.
First of all,
They're mad
Janae
crippled.
is not that old, but she acts like that shit. She be
Who?
I said, yeah, she's not old, but she be like,
You're really trying to clone
your mom
this
is fit
hair.
though, Lex.
Now she is. She has to be
She
crip-
acts like
she's
it, but
fucked up.
tell her.
Yeah, my own mom was like literally scared.
They're scared of the rabbit. Are you serious?
So the rabbit started to that.